So I'm going to show you how to make a quick shed with SketchUp. This is a little house that I designed. Definitely not going to go through and show you step by step on everything. It's going to take forever. It's top view, side view, right view, back view, left view, back to top, and a face profile. Let's get into it. Now, I'm not sure why my audio didn't work on the original recording, so I'm gonna narrate this. Just make a standard size, little polygon here. Lift it up. For demonstration purposes, we'll make it 10 feet. It's going to be a single story. Now, to design the roof, you want to go along the red axis with the draw tool. Alright, we'll click 2 feet for an overhang. You can enter these in as you scroll across. Now we want to find the blue axis. 2 feet. That's on green. This is where the mistake happens. See how it goes sideways, horizontally. We want to go up vertically, so 6 inches for the fascia. Back 12 feet. Up 24 on the blue. Once again, we're going to be making a 24-12 with this. Join those 2 points. Continue this right through until you see the blue dotted line pop up along the red. Draw it, erase this. That's going to be our roof slope. 24-12. Select the top of the building. Click follow me, and this is what you get. It automatically figures out everything, pretty much, just with the shape. So this would be a flat roof on this dwelling. It's definitely not really a shed. So that's that. Now at this point, it can get a little bit more tricky. We're going to make a smaller dwelling so you can see exactly what I mean by tricky. I need to plug in my mic to the computer, but I'm too lazy right now. Do a standard rectangle. Now it's getting a little bit more complicated. Delete all the inside of this. We're going to raise this. Enter 10 feet. Same process. Get the draw tool along the red axis. 2 feet. Up blue. 6 inches. Come back 12 feet. Up 24 feet along the blue. Now connect those 2 lines. Come through and connect this also. Select the top and extrude. Now that looks a lot more fancier, doesn't it? Well, this is where the pain in the ass part comes in. You want to start deleting this from the top. Do not delete any of the ridges, because notice how it took out a portion of the roof. Took out that side now. Now you can just go back and add it back in. This is where it becomes tricky. These obviously have no idea, no part of the roof. Double click everything, triple click, intersect the faces. Now come back and do the same process. Delete, delete. Slowly make your way back. Oh, there was a ridge. Put that back. Once again, that was the ridge. Let's add it back. Notice how the roof comes back. So keep deleting from the top. If you know something about framing, this should be somewhat easy for you. And that's that. Looks pretty nice. And we're done. Quick little tutorial.